This is LeetCode Problem 4, median of two sorted arrays. We're given two sorted arrays and need to find their median efficiently. I'll use C# for the explanation. First, set up the following. MN, lengths of the arrays. Low-high, binary search range. Total left, how many elements should be on the left partition? Define the left and right sides using partition X and partition Y. We need to use the elements on both sides of the partition line, so we define max left and min right for that. The total left value ensures there's enough space for Px and Py to move. Next, we'll set conditions to adjust the partition line. I'll use an example to make it easier to understand. Suppose Px equals 2, Py equals 4. 4 nums 1, left equals 3, right equals 8. 4 nums 2, left equals 19, right equals 21. Because the arrays are sorted, the largest element on the left half must be less than or equal to the smallest element on the right half. If max left x is greater than min right y, it means partition x is too far to the right, so we need to move it to the left. And vice versa. In this case, we'll move to the right by assigning low the value of px plus 1. Once the conditions are satisfied, we take the maximum value on the left side. This is why we add plus 1 to total left. To minimize complexity and prevent out-of-bound errors, it's best to perform the binary search on the smaller array.